Hi, my name is Kalani. I am a student physical therapist with Midwestern, and today we're going to be doing some lifting ergonomics and some lymphedema treatment techniques. So today we have my patient Jonah, and we're going to lift some things with him. So, Jonah, right here I have this empty flour can on the floor. All I want you to do is lift it 3 times off the floor. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about your lift a little bit. Is that the normal way you would normally lift things off the floor?
Pretty much.
Okay, so something to help protect your back for the future is just adding a little bit of knee bend. I know in the last one you got really low, but you don't have to go quite that low. Okay, so that's one thing. You did really good at keeping the object close to your body. And I would say even when you pick it up, just keep it there. Okay, you don't want to leave it too low. We don't want to be, the limits are like from your knees to your shoulders. This is like the safe zone. Okay, so you did really good at that, and I didn't see any twisting in your back either, so that was really good also. So let's do it one more time, thinking about bending your knees and keeping it close to your body like you did before. Perfect. Great job. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and evaluate Jonah's lymphedema and edema in his right arm. So first I'm just gonna go and look at your skin, make sure it's not too hot or too cold and you're getting the proper circulation and your skin's not too tight, all right? So are my fingers too cold?
Nope.
All right. So you feel pretty good. I'm not seeing any skin tightness. I am gonna find your pulse while I'm here though, just to make sure that your circulation is still being okay. He's got a pretty strong pulse, pretty normal. So on our scale, that would be around a 2+, which is normal. So you look good there. And while we're here, I'm also going to do a edema pitting scale. And all that means is, does your skin bounce back? Okay. So looking here, it's pretty quick to bounce back. Not seeing a ton of pitting in the arm, above and below. So you look pretty good here. So on our scale, that would be a 1, normal. Also, last thing while I'm here, I'm going to do a girth assessment. So I'll start at your elbow, and then we'll work our way up. Just going over that bony prominence there. So here we have, and we don't want it to be too tight, so we want to get an accurate measurement. All right, so this is 29, and then we'll go 5 centimeters above, right there. And that's 35, and then we'll go 5 centimeters above that. So 10 centimeters from that. That's right there. That's 37. And then we'll go 5 centimeters below. Go ahead and lift for me, thank you. And that is 29 centimeters, and then 10 centimeters below that is 27.5 centimeters. And for the girth measurement, we would also want to do it on your other side so we have a comparison. So same thing, we're just going to start right here at the elbow, measure around, and you have 28. Go 5 centimeters above the elbow crease, and then that's 34, and then 10 centimeters above the elbow crease, and that's 36, and now we'll go below, 5 centimeters below, 28, and 10 centimeters below. 25.5. Okay, so looks like both sides you're pretty equal. There's not greater than a 1 centimeter difference on either side at either level. So not a lot of swelling going on. But another reason we use this measurement is so when we do our techniques, we can see if it's working or not. So I'm going to do a scoop technique, manual lymphatic drainage massage is all that means on you. And we're going to test, retest. So we took the measurement, we'll do the technique and see if it changes any of the lymphedema in there, okay? Okay, so for Jonah, for his right side, we're going to do a scoop and pump technique to help move the lymphedema back into his lymph nodes. And usually we go from distal to proximal, but in this one, we're just going to kind of go up and down and up and down and all around, still assessing the tissue in the arm. So yeah, good. Go ahead and relax. I'm going to take the webbing and I'm going to go up and release, up and release, up and release. You feeling okay?
Feels great.
Perfect. And again, still assessing the tissue throughout. Okay, Jonah, so now that we've done a little bit of tissue mobilization and assessment, we're also going to give you some exercises to bring home with you so that you can improve your range of motion as well as mobilize your own lymph at home, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a wall wash. So it kind of looks like this. You'll take one hand first, and you're going to go all the way to one side and all the way to the other side, getting that full range of motion. And then you're going to go all the way to one side and all the way to the other side. Okay? And if that's too easy, we can also give you a band to put it against resistance because we know when our muscles work, it'll also help drain all that stuff back into you. Okay? So go ahead and try. Good. All the way up and over to one side and the other side. Good. You can do the other side if you would like. Great job. How did that feel?
Feels good.
Perfect. Did you want to add resistance or that's fine?
No, I feel draining right now.
Okay, thank you.